So, good day everyone. This is our report, the chapter 6, lesson 4, the method. Methodology or method in writing a research proposal. So, what is method or methodology? The methodology is the part of a research proposal that explains how the research will be conducted. It tells the reader what you plan to do, how you will do it, and why those methods are appropriate for your study. Methodology is the part of a research paper that explains how you did your study. It tells what steps you followed, how you gathered information, what tools you use, and how you analyze the results. In simple words, it's like the instructions or process you followed to complete your research. Main parts of the methodology. First is the research design. It describes the overall plan or approach. Research design is like plan or strategy that tells the researcher what to do, how to do it, and how the study will be carried out. It helps make the research organized and clear. So we have an example of the research design. The first is the qualitative. Qualitative research design, you should use qualitative research design if you wanted to understand the feeling, experience, and they could explain their thoughts in detail. And the second is the quantitative. Quantitative. Our study used a quantitative design by giving a questionnaire to students, for example, and we should count their answer and use numbers and percentage. And the third one is the mixed method. We use a mixed method design because we needed both numbers and opinions. We conducted a survey to gather numerical data. And the last one is a survey. Survey research design. The research used a survey design to help us collect information. And next is participant or respondents. Who will be involved in the study? Participants, respondents are the people who give answers or data in the research. They are the ones you ask, question, observe, or study.
Sampling technique first, method of choosing participants. Example, first, random. Random is like picking names out of a hat. Everyone has a chance to be chosen. Second example is purposive. Purposive is choosing people who fit what you're studying. Third example is convenience. Convenience is asking people who are easy to reach, like classmates. They research instrument. Research instruments is the things you use to collect data. For example, questionnaire, a list of questions to ask people. Second, interview guide, a list of topics to talk about during an interview. Third is observation sheet. Observation sheet is a form to write down what you say. Here come data gathering procedure. So data gathering procedure is the steps you take to collect your data. First is distribution. Distribution is giving out your questionnaires or survey. Retrieval. Retrieval is getting back to the complete questionnaires or your surveys. Third is permission process. Permission process is getting paid from people to do your research.
Data analysis turns raw data into meaningful information using statistical methods for numbers and thematic methods for words or observation. Method for interpreting data. It is the process of analyzing data to understand its meaning and draw conclusions using either numerical, quantitative, or descriptive, qualitative approach. Quantitative statistics. It is the use of numerical data and statistical methods to analyze patterns, trends, and relationships in information. Qualitative coding and DEMS. It is the analysis of non-numerical data by organizing information into codes and identifying recurring patterns or DEMS. Ethical considerations. Ensure that research is conducted responsibly by getting participants' consent, keeping their information confidential, respecting their rights and dignity, and following a no-harm policy to protect them from physical or emotional harm. Consent and confidentiality. Participants must freely agree to take part in the study, and their personal information must be kept private and protected. Respect for participants. Treat participants fairly and with dignity, value their rights, and allow them to withdraw at any time without pressure. No harm policy. Ensure that the research does not cause physical, emotional, or psychological harm to participants.